At eto lang ang babala ko. With all of these things na nangyari, I'm sure someone should be guilty of obstruction of justice for harboring, concealing someone who is wanted by law through this warrant. And let me remind you of PD 1829, obstruction of justice. Ang sinasabi, any person who knowingly, willfully obstructs, impedes, or frustrates or delays the apprehension of suspects and the investigation and prosecution of criminal. And of course, harboring, concealing, facilitating the escape of any person he knows or has reasonable ground to believe or suspect has committed any offense under existing penal laws. And letter I, giving of false or fabricated information to mislead or prevent the law enforcement agencies from apprehending offender or from protecting the life or property or the victim, or fabricating information from the data gathered in confidence by investigating. So I think, babalik pa rin ko ngayon ang tanong. Huwag na natin pag-usapan itong surrender thing na ito because I know all the while na sinasabi lang galing sa labas papasok, kalokohan po yan, huwag kayo maniwala dyan. Isa lang ang dapat nilang sagutan. Kung ganun pala kabilis na isusurrender daw nila si Pastor Kibuloy, ibig sabihin, all the while, alam nila ni si Pastor Kibuloy ang pinagtataguan niya. We should investigate this, and those guilty should be sued accordingly. Dapat po mademanda sila.